In the icy realms of the Arctic tundra, the Arctic fox employs a captivating survival strategy by changing its coat with the seasons. During winter, its fur turns a pristine white, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the snowy landscape and evade predators. As the snow melts and the landscape turns green and brown, the fox undergoes a transformation to a brownish coat, effectively camouflaging in the rugged terrain. This unique ability not only aids in predator evasion, but also facilitates stealthy hunting of prey, like lemmings, showcasing nature's ingenuity in adaptation. The Arctic fox's color-changing capability underscores the intricate balance of survival and adaptation in extreme environments.